Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to stop people from sending friend requests on Facebook. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your Facebook application. In Facebook application, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Here, scroll down below and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, tap on Settings. Here, scroll down below and under the Audience and Visibility, tap on third option is how people can find and contact you. So tap on this option, and here who can send you friend request, tap on everyone, and here tap select friends of friends. This way you can stop receiving public friend requests. But before you go, please like, share and subscribe.